Imagine a cosmic dance floor, billions of miles wide, where the music is gravity and the dancers are worlds. Out in the vastness of space, planets don't just orbit quietly, they interact, sometimes in the most dramatic ways imaginable. Here, two giant worlds are drawn together by gravity, locked in a slow-motion embrace that will end in catastrophe. For millions of years, these planets have been on a collision course, inching closer, accelerating until they're moving faster than any bullet ever fired on Earth. As they approach, details emerge: towering mountains, vast oceans, swirling clouds, each world unique, each moment bringing them closer until the space between them vanishes in an instant. The impact is silent in the vacuum of space, but the energy released is beyond comprehension, more powerful than all the nuclear bombs ever built on Earth, multiplied by 1 billion. The force reshapes both worlds in a single, blinding moment. The planets don't bounce, they merge, shatter, and melt. Solid rock becomes liquid, liquid becomes vapor, and the very elements are thrown into chaos. A blinding flash of heat and light erupts, so intense it can be seen from distant star systems, a cosmic beacon announcing the birth of something new. This isn't science fiction, this is how the universe works. Astronomers have witnessed the aftermath of such collisions in distant solar systems, confirming that these events are real and ongoing. The collision hurls a vast cloud of debris into space, trillions of tons of rock, metal, and ice, all glowing with the heat of the impact. Some of this debris escapes into the void forever, but much of it is captured by the gravity of the new, larger planet, pulled back to the scene of creation. This material orbits like a swarm of angry bees, circling the planet, eventually clumping together to form new moons or spectacular rings that can last for millions of years. These cataclysmic events are happening right now, shaping planetary systems across the cosmos, sculpting worlds in distant galaxies we may never see. Our own solar system's history is filled with such violent collisions. The planets and moons we know today are survivors, shaped and scarred by ancient impacts. The ground beneath our feet is made from the remnants of these ancient cosmic crashes. Earth itself is a product of countless collisions and mergers. By studying these events, scientists can trace the origins of our planet, piecing together the story of how Earth, and life itself, came to be. It connects us to the grand, sometimes violent story of the universe, reminding us that creation and destruction are forever intertwined. The peace we see in our night sky is the result of eons of chaos, a calm that was hard-won through countless cosmic battles. Every planet, every moon, is a survivor of this cosmic ballet, bearing the scars of ancient impacts and the legacy of creation. The universe is a place of endless creation and epic destruction, where worlds are born and shattered in equal measure. We are the product of both, our very existence tied to the violence and beauty of the cosmos. The story of planetary collisions is, in a very real sense, the story of us, our origins, our place in the universe, and our connection to everything that has come before. And this cosmic ballet is still unfolding somewhere out there, shaping new worlds and new stories in the endless darkness of space. Our solar system began as a chaotic construction zone, a swirling disk of gas and dust encircling a newborn sun. In this vast, turbulent cloud, gravity was the architect, pulling material together and setting the stage for the birth of worlds. Tiny particles collided and stuck together, gradually growing from mere pebbles into planetesimals, small early worlds that would become the building blocks of planets. The early solar system was crowded and chaotic, with dozens, even hundreds of these bodies sharing unstable, intersecting orbits, constantly jostling for space. Collisions were inevitable, a cosmic demolition derby where worlds crashed together in spectacular fashion. Most impacts shattered these young worlds into fragments, but some collisions led to mergers, slowly building larger and more complex planets through a process called accretion. This violent era, known as the Late Heavy Bombardment, saw a relentless barrage of debris, clearing out much of the leftover material and shaping the surfaces of the forming planets. The moon's craters and Mercury's battered ancient surface are lasting scars from this tumultuous time, silent witnesses to the chaos that once reigned. Even Earth bears the marks of ancient impacts, though wind, water, and tectonic activity have erased many of these scars over billions of years. The planets we see today are survivors, winners of a cosmic competition, each one having endured countless trials and collisions. Each planet is the result of innumerable mergers and impacts, shaped and reshaped by the violence of their early years. Earth itself is a composite, built from the wreckage of many smaller worlds, its layers telling the story of its tumultuous assembly. This violent history is the main story of our solar system's formation, a tale of chaos gradually giving way to order. The peace and stability we enjoy now was born from unimaginable chaos and destruction, a testament to the resilience of planetary formation. Every planet, from the scorched surface of Mercury to the icy moons of the outer solar system, is a testament to survival and endurance. Our origins are written in the scars of ancient impacts, etched across the surfaces of worlds, reminding us of the solar system's dramatic past. Where did our moon come from? This question has fascinated humanity for centuries, inspiring myths, legends, and scientific curiosity alike. It's unusually large for a planet like Earth, far bigger in proportion than most moons in our solar system. Early theories couldn't explain its composition or orbit. Some thought it formed alongside Earth, others imagined it was captured from elsewhere, but none fit the evidence. The answer, it turns out, is far more dramatic. A giant collision, the most significant event in Earth's history, forever altering our planet's destiny. The giant impact hypothesis says that billions of years ago, a Mars-sized planet named Theia struck young Earth at an angle, unleashing unimaginable energy. The impact melted both worlds' outer layers, launching vaporized rock and molten material into orbit, creating a fiery halo around our planet. This debris formed a massive, glowing ring around Earth, a swirling disk of chaos and creation. Over thousands of years, gravity worked its magic, pulling the debris together, coalescing it into the moon we know today. The moon is made of rocks strikingly similar to Earth's crust, with only a small iron core, clear evidence of this shared, violent origin. Apollo missions confirmed the moon's rocks were intensely heated, their chemistry matching the impact theory and revealing a world forged in fire. Our moon is a monument to cosmic violence and creation, its battered surface a record of ancient cataclysms. Its presence stabilizes Earth's tilt and tides, shaping the rhythms of our planet and making life as we know it possible. The moon's story is our story, a reminder of our planet's spectacular past, and of the cosmic forces that shaped our world. Every night, we see the legacy of that ancient collision shining above us, a silent witness to our shared history. The moon connects us to the universe's creative chaos, linking our small world to the vastness of space. It's a survivor, just like us, enduring billions of years of impacts, change, and cosmic evolution. And its origin is written in every crater and rock, a testament to the power and beauty of creation through chaos. For years, planetary collisions were just theory, until our telescopes became cosmic detectives. Now we see evidence of these crashes in distant star systems. Telescopes like Hubble and Spitzer first spotted huge clouds of dust, signs of recent collisions. After two planets smash together, the resulting dust glows in infrared light. By detecting this glow, astronomers identify where violent events have just occurred. The James Webb Space Telescope takes this further, analyzing the dust's composition to reveal what kind of worlds collided. In 2023, JWST observed Beta Pictoris, finding a fresh cloud of silicate dust from a recent smash-up. We're no longer guessing, we're witnessing these events as they happen. Each observation helps us piece together how planets are born, grow, and sometimes die in spectacular crashes. The universe's story of creation and destruction is unfolding before our eyes. What happens when two planets collide? The energy released is unimaginable. Kinetic energy turns instantly into heat. Temperatures soar beyond the sun's surface, vaporizing rock and creating a shockwave that shatters both worlds. For a moment, the planets merge into a molten, spinning blob, a synestia, glowing with fiery light. As it cools, vapor condenses into droplets, then solidifies into dust and rock. Much of this debris forms a disk orbiting the new planet. Depending on the impact, this disk can create moons or rings. The planet itself is forever changed, its surface a sea of magma for millions of years. Some collisions merge worlds, others create spectacular debris. Every impact reshapes the destiny of a planet. We can't watch ancient collisions, but we can simulate them. Scientists use supercomputers to create digital universes, smashing virtual planets together under different conditions. By inputting the laws of physics, they model impacts, track debris, and test theories. These simulations were crucial for the giant impact hypothesis, showing how a Mars-sized Theia could create our moon. Only specific angles and speeds produce a system like Earth and Moon. The results aren't just numbers, they become vivid animations revealing the chaos and beauty of planetary collisions. As computers grow more powerful, our understanding deepens. Simulations help interpret telescope data and reconstruct the universe's violent history. They're our window into events we can never witness, and they bring the story of cosmic creation to life. The aftermath of a planetary collision can last for eons. One outcome, a ring system like Saturn's, formed when debris orbits within the Roche limit and can't clump into a moon. Another, a planet's rotation is forever changed. Uranus spins on its side, likely knocked over by a massive impact. Earth's own day was once just a few hours long, sped up by the moon-forming collision. Over time, the moon's gravity slowed Earth's spin to 24 hours. These impacts reshape worlds, giving them rings, moons, tilts, and new spins. The diversity of our solar system is the legacy of ancient crashes. Every planet tells a story of transformation. The echoes of chaos are written across the sky. Could a giant planet collide with Earth again? It's extremely unlikely. The solar system is now calm, planets follow stable orbits, but millions of smaller objects, asteroids and comets, still orbit the sun. Occasionally, one is nudged onto a collision course with Earth. A large asteroid impact could be catastrophic, as it was for the dinosaurs. That's why astronomers track near-Earth objects searching for threats. So far, no large asteroids pose a danger in the near future. Unlike the past, we have technology to detect and even deflect threats, like NASA's DART mission. The era of planet-shattering impacts is over, but vigilance keeps us safe. Science and technology are our shield against cosmic hazards. Planetary collisions are not just destructive, they're engines of creation. They assemble small worlds into large ones, forge moons, and shape planets' unique features. The giant impact that formed our moon may have made Earth habitable. The moon stabilizes our tilt and creates tides crucial for life. Studying these events reveals our origins and connects us to the cosmos. Across the galaxy, the same drama unfolds, creation from chaos. Every new discovery is a window into our own past. The universe is dynamic, ever-changing, and collisions drive that evolution. From destruction comes transformation and new beginnings. The story of cosmic crashes is the story of resilience, creativity, and the power of the universe itself.